Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Arteon. The Volkswagen Arteon offers plenty of convenience and functionality by utilizing 4 doors and a hatchback. A comfortable ride, plenty of high-quality finishes, and the overall utility of this vehicle makes it one you want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.